A very good morning to all. Welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn a topic related to geometry. Now before we begin with the geometry, the basic concepts of geometry should be known. Now the basic concepts of geometry are a point, a line segment and a ray and a line. A point is when you take your pencil and place it on a paper, you get a point. Now there is a difference between line and line segment. Line can be extended from both the sides, whereas line segment is a fixed distance and cannot be extended further. What we are going to further study is about rays. A ray is a geometrical figure which has one endpoint and can be extended to the opposite sides. Can be extended from its opposite side. Now what we are going to study about ray is using a ray and a point, how we are going to create a new geometrical figure, and that new geometrical figure is angle. You can see in the diagram we have two rays, ray AB and ray BC. Ray AB and ray BC when are joined to a common end point by making an inclination obliquely, when it is joined, it forms an angle. Now the diagram can be named as angle ABC or angle CBA. So just look at the diagram, and if we write the name of the angle shown alongside, it can be written as angle ABC or angle CBA. Now you can see that these two rays are joined at a common point. Okay? Now this common point of the two rays is called a vertex. Vertex is a point where the two rays which are supposed to form an angle are joined, and this is called the vertex. The name of the vertex for angle ABC is vertex B, or you can write point B. Now children, these concepts are very easy, and we have a habit, we tend to write it very quickly because it's easy. Now you have to keep in mind, when you are writing the name of a vertex, either write vertex B or point B. For our syllabus, we will write vertex B. A single point is called vertex, and when there are many vertex, we call it as vertices. The plural of vertex is vertices. Now write the names of its arms. The arms are the sides of the angle, the rays of the angle which are present. So the names of its arms are, you can see in the diagram, arm AB and arm BC. You can see AB and BC. Now the ray AB and BC are denoted with a point on the ray. The names of the points marked on its arms are point A, point B and point C. Now these are just a recall. These concepts are just a recall, basically using the geometrical terms. Angle is the elements of angle. Now whatever I've explained you, this is just a short recap. Now what you need to know is, geometrically, the arms of the angle or the sides of the angle are denoted using ray. Now the vertex, the arms. These together are called as elements of an angle. When you are questioned what are the elements of an angle, it will be the arms and the vertex of the angle. They together form the elements of an angle.